When it comes to upgrading your home's windows, vinyl windows have become one of the most popular choices among homeowners, and for good reason. Known for their durability, affordability, and low maintenance, vinyl windows offer a practical solution that doesn't compromise on style or performance. So, what exactly are vinyl windows? Simply put, vinyl windows are made from polyvinyl chloride, PVC, a strong and weather-resistant material commonly used in construction. Unlike traditional wood or metal frames, vinyl does not rot, warp, or corrode over time. This makes it an ideal option for homeowners looking for long-lasting windows that can handle a variety of weather conditions. One of the biggest reasons vinyl windows are so widely chosen is their low maintenance requirements. With wood windows, regular painting, staining, or sealing is necessary to maintain their appearance and prevent damage. Vinyl windows, on the other hand, require very little upkeep. A simple cleaning with soap and water is usually enough to keep them looking new. For busy homeowners, this ease of maintenance is a major advantage. Affordability is another key factor driving the popularity of vinyl windows. Compared to materials like wood or fiberglass, vinyl windows are generally more budget-friendly while still offering excellent performance. This makes them an attractive option for homeowners who want to improve their home's efficiency and appearance without overspending. Whether you're replacing a few windows or upgrading your entire home, vinyl provides great value for your investment. Energy efficiency is also a standout benefit of vinyl windows. These windows are designed with insulating properties that help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Many vinyl windows also feature multi-pane glass and energy-efficient coatings, further enhancing their ability to maintain indoor comfort. As a result, homeowners often notice lower energy bills and a more consistent indoor temperature throughout the year. In addition to performance, vinyl windows offer impressive design versatility. They are available in a wide range of styles, including double-hung, casement, sliding, and picture windows. This allows homeowners to choose the perfect window type to match their home's architecture and personal preferences. Vinyl frames also come in various colors and finishes, making it easy to achieve a cohesive look both inside and outside the home. Durability is another reason vinyl windows continue to gain popularity. Because they are resistant to moisture, pests, and harsh weather conditions, they tend to last for many years without significant wear and tear. Unlike wood, vinyl won't attract termites or suffer from water damage, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. Vinyl windows also contribute to a quieter home environment. Their insulated frames and tight seals help reduce outside noise, creating a more peaceful indoor space. This can be especially beneficial for homes located in busy neighborhoods or near high-traffic areas. From a homeowner's perspective, installation is another area where vinyl windows shine. They are lightweight and easier to handle compared to heavier materials, which can lead to quicker and more efficient installation. When installed properly by professionals, vinyl windows provide a snug fit that enhances both energy efficiency and overall performance. Ultimately, vinyl windows offer a combination of practicality, comfort, and style that appeals to a wide range of homeowners. They deliver reliable performance, reduce maintenance efforts, and help improve energy efficiency, all while remaining cost-effective. If you're considering a window upgrade, vinyl windows are a smart, customer-friendly choice that balances function and aesthetics. With their long-lasting durability and modern appeal, it's easy to see why so many homeowners continue to choose vinyl windows for their homes.